Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Danjo number 9175-620. This is a 2¼ inch extended lip strike plate, square corner, in an antique nickel finish is what this is. So the 9175 is representative of the two things actually. The dimensional properties of the strike, along with the fact that its packaging is what they call a poly bag. It's just going to be packaged in the bag like this. By the way, these are the screws that are included in a complementary finish. Now the 9175 is going to mean that it is a 2¼ inch tall strike, that it is an overall of 2¼ but that's not the way strikes are measured. They're measured from the center line of the screw hole to the edge of the lip. And then on a 9175, that's 1¾ inch. Okay? 18 gauge or 50,000ths of an inch material thickness, which is actually it's the same thickness of a commercial grade kick plate. So if that is of any relevance to you, 620 means it means that it's antique nickel finish for sure, and it also infers that it is a brass base material. This is not ferrous, but I'm not tempted to say that it's brass. I'm probably tempted to say that it's a stainless base material. I doubt that this is brass. Although, I could be wrong. Yeah, I'm going to go with it not being brass. Scratching the back side of it doesn't really reveal any gold color material. So I'm going to go with this not being brass. Stainless is what I'm going to final answer. So antique nickel finish. There is a link below this video to a document called Template, which is very handy because it will allow you to review this strike in all of its dimensional properties beyond what I have provided. It also refers to the other finishes that this is available in. 605 for polished brass, 609 for antique brass, yes, 619 for satin nickel, 620 for antique nickel, 630 for satin stainless steel, and then DU, which is a dark bronze finish, similar or complementary to oil rub bronze. It's a powder coat over stainless steel generally, but sometimes over a steel-based material. Okay. Now, there is also a link below this video to a document called Product Catalog, which is very handy because it will allow you to review all of Danjo's strikes. They have a variety of different heights and lip extensions, and also corner treatments. This is available in radiused corners, which would be a 1/4 inch radius, but not in all finishes. The 620, it's not available in a radius corner, only square corner. So that link to the product brochure is handy because you might be rooting around or hunting around for the strike that you need, and you'll be able to quickly and easily see what options are available and what those different part numbers are that you can populate back to the website and find the item quickly that way as well. Now, why would you need an extended lip strike? Well, this strike is about 1/2 inch or 3/8 of an inch further extended from a standard strike. Standard strikes are 1¼ inch, 1 5/16, inch 3/8. This is a bit longer. Why? Well, you might have a condition by which your casing is thicker than average, where the latch bolt is making premature contact with the frame, and you need to extend the lip out so that the latch bolt isn't damaging or scarring whatever the surrounding material is. A frame, casing, maybe some sort of applied material, maybe a wall condition. It could also be if your door was inset further into the frame than standard. For instance, if you stood on the pull side of the door, the reveal between the face of the door and the frame, the door's inset about 3/32 of an inch. It can be a little more, it can be a little less, but that's generally what it is. Now, imagine if that inset was 1/2 inch, and it's not uncommon to see that. It's atypical, I would say, not unheard of. you would need an extended lip strike for that application. Generally, when something's inset, it will be significant. Applications of that are older, turn of the century buildings where it's a 3-story residential application and the first floor wall thicknesses are 12-inch or thicker, and those doors are set way into the frames, necessitating wide throw hinges, which go along sometimes with extended lip strikes, and of course extended lip strikes. So that'd be another application, but it's generally because you have a casing condition or a brick mold condition where you're just hitting the frame prematurely. So that's where these are going to come from. Now, that link below this video to the product catalog is obviously very handy, but even perhaps more handy will be the link below this video to the manufacturer's page on our website, where you can review not only all of the Danjo products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's ever-evolving, ever-improving website, along with a link to the full line Danjo product catalog. Some people know Danjo for their primary line, which is their latch protectors and their U-shaped door reinforcing wraparound plates. However, when you look at the rest of the catalog and above there, the subsections of all the catalogs, you'll take note that they are a comprehensive manufacturer of all trim and auxiliary hardware. If you have any questions on the Danjo, number 9175-620, extended lip strike and an antique nickel finish, or any other Danjo product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.